and welcome to the Help Industries channel. Today we're going to look at Coinbase, how you can earn free Bitcoin and other free crypto currencies. First thing I want to point out is look in the description. There's a referral link. You click on that and get signed up. If you're not already signed up, we can both earn $10 in Bitcoin. The other thing I want to point out, again, free Bitcoin, free crypto. Look at this, just for this is called Balancer. You can earn $3 just by looking at some of these videos. Earn $1, 1 minute, $1, $1. Here's another one, Clover Finance. I've already done this. I earned $3. Again, just by looking at what is Clover, I earned $1 for 1 minute. There's the utility of Clover Finance, earned $1. And again, you just click on those. It'll pop these up. It'll give you just a short quiz that's really simple. You'll pass it. But again, the graph, $4 I earned just by looking at what is the graph, $1. What are indexes, $1 for 1 minute. What are curators, earned $1 for a minute. So again, just by signing up, you can get $10 with our referral link, and then go in here and you can get $30 right now on the screen just by going through these, clicking on them, just watching it, again, for a minute, $1, why not? Just talks about what this crypto is, etc., etc. You can't beat it. Free money for, say, 15 minutes, $30. Can't beat it. Here's one, $10, Stellar Lumens. What is Stellar, $2. What are Stellar Lumens? I mean, again, you can't beat this. Compound, $9. Earn interest on your crypto. And again, you just click on these. Again, it's about $1 a minute. This is $3 for 3 minutes. It just talks about compound, how you can earn interest. You just go through these lessons. It's real quick, real simple. Earn your free money. When you get done with all of these, again, it's about $30 plus your 10, $40. Just go through, click on your portfolio tab, and you will see your portfolio listed of the things you have bought and then the others that you have just watched. So again, they'll all show up here. Again, I want to point out that you can earn rewards or interest, whatever you want to call it, with some of these big time crypto currencies. So let's look at right now 5%. You can see it just clicking up just by me holding it. It's not a lot of money, but Cosmos, $64. You know, it's 5%. APY, you can't beat it. Just add to that $50 every week, every month, whatever you can afford, and earn interest on it. You can't earn interest like that in a bank or savings account, so why not get started in Coinbase today, get your free $10, get the free $30, convert it to Bitcoin, convert it to Ethereum. That's what I did. The last ones I watched, I just converted to Ethereum and Bitcoin. You can cash it out, trade it, cash it out. You know, as soon as you make it, you don't have to hold it if you don't want to. I mean, sell it. Just go to sell. can sell whatever. You just click, select which one. Say I want to sell my Ethereum, deposit for cash, and you just click on the button. It's real simple. Again, for free, you can't beat it. People will talk about fees and all this stuff. I mean, transfers. For the easiest app and website to use, in my opinion, for beginners and long-termers is Coinbase. Because again, they're going to give you these free, they call it learn and earn. And just by clicking on these and watching them, you'll get free money. Convert it to Bitcoin, convert it to Ethereum, cash out, do it, whatever, but they're giving you free money. Nobody else does that. I can guarantee you nobody else does that. So click on the link again, folks. Click on subscribe to our channel, like the video. We're going to keep producing videos that bring you value, give you free stuff, how to do stuff. So that's the value of the channel, how to do this, how to do that, how to make money online, how to get into crypto, how to build your wealth management. Because everything's going digital wallets. And the quicker you get in on this stuff and tell your friends about it, again, earn and earn. You go in here, you can do this free stuff. You can get $10 for copying your link. You'll have your referral once you get signed up, and then send it to people you know. Share it to Facebook, your social media. So again, you can earn $10 for all the people you bring in. So, and then tell them about the freebies, $30 in freebies just by signing up. You can't beat that. So, and then just start investing in crypto every week, and all of a sudden, in 6 months or a year, you'll be surprised how much money you have. So that's it for today. Again, get signed up with crypto, Coinbase. Keep watching Help Industries channel for more value-added information, and we'll see you next time.